Notion CRM template review, usage experience. In this video, I'm sharing my honest experience with CRM setups built inside Notion, covering the key features, who it's made for, and whether it's worth using as your CRM solution. I've added links in the description if you want to explore it further. Notion CRM templates are essentially customizable systems built within Notion's flexible workspace, allowing users to manage contacts, track deals, and organize client interactions without using a traditional CRM platform. The biggest advantage here is flexibility. You can design your own pipeline, contact database, and workflow exactly how you want, using databases, linked views, and custom properties. This means you can track leads, assign tasks, set reminders, and manage relationships in a way that fits your business, rather than adapting to rigid CRM structures. Another strong point is that everything lives in one workspace, so you can combine your CRM with notes, documents, project management, and knowledge bases, creating a fully integrated system. Notion also supports automation through integrations with tools like Zapier, and while it doesn't have native advanced automation like dedicated CRMs, you can still build efficient workflows with some setup. The interface is clean and minimal, making it easy to navigate, and collaboration features allow teams to share updates, comments, and progress in real time. However, it's important to understand that Notion CRM templates are not out-of-the-box solutions. You either build your own system or use pre-made templates, which means there's a learning curve, especially if you want advanced features like automation, reporting, or lead scoring. Analytics are basic compared to full CRMs, and scaling for large sales teams can become complex. So, who is Notion CRM best for? It's ideal for freelancers, small businesses, startups, and individuals who want a highly customizable, low-cost CRM solution and are comfortable building their own workflows. It's especially useful for those already using Notion for project management or documentation. On the downside, it's not the best choice for large sales teams or businesses that require advanced automation, detailed reporting, or built-in communication tools. Overall, Notion CRM templates offer a flexible, cost-effective, and highly customizable way to manage client relationships, but they require setup and ongoing optimization. If you value flexibility and simplicity over advanced automation, Notion can be a powerful CRM alternative.